Well guys, I don't know if we've opened this video or not, so I'm gonna open it now. So about 6:45 this morning, my top hand here at the cleaners, Marcella, that's been here longer than I have, sent me a picture of our awning over our drive-through window had been crushed by somebody, either drove a truck into it or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. We're gonna walk around and see what the damage is. We brought the old talk with us. I think we can raise this. We're gonna use it to take it down so it don't damage anybody else's vehicle or hurt somebody. So let's get a look here. Marcella there. So somebody whacked it pretty good right there. Crushed it in. My cousin and I, Will, that own the cleaners here together. Oh man, it knocked the brick off the front there. Throw a pretty good crack in right here. So you can see here, jerk the bolts loose. We got some brick damage right here on that. It's pulled that brick loose right there. Have to be tapped back in, reset. Got the angle iron bent here up on the top of the frame. This is all mangled up, so. But I do think this shouldn't be too much trouble. So what I'm gonna plan on doing is I'm gonna get the girls to move their cars, and we're gonna pull in here with the track loader and just get up under this to support it. And then there's some little, looks like 1/2 inch or 7/16 bolts or something like that. I think we can just me and Clarence can just jump on a ladder and back them out real quick. We'll just pull this thing off for now. And then we actually built this awning 12 years ago. My cousin and I that own the cleaners together built it in my shop, and then we hung it up here and put the metal on it and everything. So I think we'll probably just kind of do the same thing. We'll just have to rebuild it and start over. So all right, well, we're gonna go get started, I guess. I did have a card from one of the local peace officers, so maybe whoever did this was good enough to call and say, hey, this is what happened, and I can get some information from them and maybe get their insurance to cover it instead of my pocket. All right, guys, so Clarence is going to get started. You need to figure out what size sockets or wrenches you need to. I'm thinking probably 1/2 inch and 9/16 is about what that looks like. But
where's your sockets and wrenches?
Pedro's got them on in his blue toolbox. So I touch base. Go ahead. I touch base with the insurance companies, and my insurance company, I've only got a $1,500 coverage on this with a $1,000 deductible. So it's going to cost me $500 either way. Or if I make a claim, it'll probably cause my insurance to go up. So we're just going to fix it. But luckily, the police officer had left a card, and I called the police department here, and they said that they have pictures, and the person that did it called the police, had them come do a report and everything. So hopefully their insurance will cover it. But I'm going to take some really good pictures right quick, and then that way we'll have it, and then me and Clarence are going to get it pulled off. So let's get to it. Didn't know I was going to be an insurance claims adjuster today. So let's go get the skid steer and get something under that so it'll hold it, and then we can work from there. All right. May need to all right, we're gonna grab the skid steer.
All you can do is go backwards. Ooh, keep going.
I'm not gonna lie, there's a little bit of a pucker factor right there. So guys, what we're gonna try to do here is I'm gonna try to position the skid steer where we can take the majority of the weight off the building I'd say get all the bottom ones loose first.
None of these even look tight.
Well, I mean, it had a truck hit it, dude. Is it just sitting on top of that one? Leave it there. That'll help support it. If we get all them others out, I can probably just pop it out. You know what I mean?
Pick it up.
Maybe. I don't know. I guess them bolts might hold it, huh? We'll get them last.
This is coming out with that one. Like as that nut comes off, it's coming out.
That's fine. It can't go nowhere. I got it. Do I need to pull up a little more?
I mean, yeah, it can slide 3 feet.
3 what?
It can slide 3 foot.
Okay, well tell me when.
Alright. A little fast. Alright.
You said it could go 3 foot.
It was a joke. I was exaggerating.
Alright, I got her helped. Alright, we're either going to tear it up or get it off, one or the other. Still acting like it's attached up there at the top. We got it now.
Looks naked now, don't it?
Yeah, it looks pitiful. I really thought we could take this home and use it, but I ain't sure we can put this on the trailer with the track loader.
Why?
It's too wide and it's too long. We can't.
Just load it up. We can use the tractor at the house or the excavator.
We can probably load this by hand. Just bring the trailer back later. We'll just set it over there out of the way and then bring the trailer back later.
You want me to stop recording yet?
Sure. Well, guys, we got her all took down. We're loaded back up. Fixing to head to the house. We've got a kind of busy day today. Not only we didn't really have time to be picking this broke stuff up and taking this off the building, but I've got to deliver a set of cattle to the packer today, to the processor to get processed. We also have tonight at our church, we have a packing party for Operation Christmas Child, which sends Christmas gifts to kids all across the world. So if I encourage you to participate in that at your own church, or look it up. It's part of Franklin Graham's ministry. If no one else, if your church doesn't do it. But yeah, so Clance and I are headed to the house to unload the talk, hook up the cattle trailer, load some steers. What's going on here?
Battery's dead.
It better not be. It sure is. Now the battery's acting like it's dead on my pickup, which there's no way that could be happening because it's never gone dead. I don't know what's going on here.
Well, apparently it's because you left your flashers on.
The flashers should not, and they're not now. The flashers aren't turning off.
Look at all these.
We got all kinds of stuff. I don't know. God, I'm so sick of it.
What's wrong with your truck?
I don't know. So I was fixing to close this video out. Now I guess we're starting a new one. I don't know. Let's disconnect the ground cable on it and see what that does.
Oh, these finally quit flashing.
Did it? They flash when you turn the key on, but not when the... Alright guys, we're going to figure this out. Till then, y'all keep wrenching, ranching, and praying, and we'll see y'all next time.